how to write the test in Google form. First, when they have given a link to the Google form test, just click the link. Okay, now you will enter in this Google form. See here, first what you have to do, you have to write your email address. You know this stu, some name will be there now. So like this you can write any name under your email id, write like this. And one thing, you will write this test, you can attend this test at least only once only. Okay, now read all the instructions, then type your name, and choose your section, then give next. Now you have to attend all the questions. Okay, so you must attend all the questions. Choose any, read the question and work out in your rough note, and then you choose the answers according to these questions. Okay, so like this you have to attend all the 10 questions, then give next question. Now part 2, answer the following is there. Here you have to read the question and you have to write the answer in your max classwork last page. Okay, put the heading monthly test and write the answers in your max classwork itself. Last page you have to write. Okay, there you have to write the answers, put the question number 11 and write the answer. Okay, then add file, click it. Now select files from your device, you can click it. Now see your camera documents is there. Okay, first step I'll tell the camera. Now switch on the camera, and then you have to, where you have written that page you have to take. Okay, then you have to focus on the question and take a picture, then you add it, put the right mark. See here, upload you have to give. The uploading is going on. Okay, now you have added the, you have submitted your question number 11. Like this, question number 12 again you have to do. So if you have already returned the test in your max classwork and you have taken the photo in separate questions, each question number 11 separate photo, question number 12 separate photo, question number 13 separate photo, like that you have to take. And if you have already stored in your phone, then you can go to that place. I'm stored here in SD card, camera is there now, so there I have stored the already pictures. So now I can choose a question, then upload. So two method you can do. So you can add file, click, and you can go for camera, you can take a picture and you can upload. Or if you have already taken a photo, you can choose the file and you can upload. So two choices are there, which is possible, easy for you, you can add file like this. So now I am going to do again camera. Using camera, I'm going to take camera and take a picture of your question number 13 and then take a photo and then take a, put a tick mark. What happened? Put a tick mark and then upload. Then added file. Now 14 and 15 questions are there. So again I will tell, if you have already stored in your phone, how to do, again I am telling. So go for downloads, documents, then where you have stored the pictures, you know that already. When you are taking the pictures, it will be stored in your internal storage or SD card, camera, isn't it? Your DCIM is storing. In your phone you can check it in photos. Okay, pictures. So choose a file and put upload. Then add it. Now see here again, I'll do this. Select a from file camera, you can choose. Take a picture of question number 15. Then you add it. Now upload it. Okay, your email address is important because you don't know you cannot receive your mark as it is immediately. Okay, see here, submit is going on. Submission is going on. Okay, your responses has been recorded. Now you have submitted your monthly test answer sheet in Google Form. Okay, when you are trying to do again, it will say that you can fill out this form only once, so you cannot write once again. Okay, so first only one time you can fill this form, so be careful to fill this. Okay, all the best, ma.